Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. So tip number 3 is to separate your business and personal money. I feel like you've heard this from me in a couple ways now. I just keep saying it over and over again because my clients forget and they mix them all together. So my strong recommendation for you, and this is not just mine, I can't imagine you'll find any accounting professional that doesn't recommend this. Please do not commingle your funds. Please do not use your business checkbook for personal stuff. Don't use your personal checkbook for business stuff. If one account needs money, transfer it from that account to the other account. So I just say don't commingle your funds. Use a business checking account. Use a business credit card. The logic is if you ever had to prove, grab statements from your bank, for an audit, for anything, even for me, for your bookkeeper, whomever, do you really want to share your personal statements? Or would you feel more comfortable sharing just your business statements? For myself, I would way rather show only my business checking statements. I would not want to show my personal checking statements. My personal checking account isn't that interesting, but I don't think the world needs to know how often I go to McDonald's. So I just keep that separate.